My father founded w&co Mediaservices with two partners in 1954, after Germany won the World Cup. w&co Mediaservices currently has just under 100 members of staff at its Munich location. Together with our partner company and cooperation partner Meile & Müller in Pforzheim, we also operate a company in Bulgaria, M&V Media Networks, which has about 150 employees. And then there are various smaller-scale customer units. We work for three target groups: publishing houses, mail-order companies and industrial companies. We have four pillars. The first is creative services. In other words, everything that has to do with creative design, layout and so on. Print media is the second pillar. That's classic image data management, repro for our customers. The third pillar is online services. Everything connected with new media, from iPhone apps to web shops. And IT services is the fourth pillar. Here we basically cover the entire IT area for our customers, with media databases, large-scale IT solutions, process-controlled systems. I believe in print, but I don't just believe in print on paper. I believe in print combined with every kind of output. It might be a screen, a mobile phone, or an iPad. It doesn't matter. The information society is in full swing, and the smarter you are in providing everything from a single source and covering every output channel, the better your position.
What makes Censhare so important for us? Firstly, it's about internal process optimization, with the consistent networking of our foreign site in Bulgaria, and then, of course, consistent networking with customers.
We use Censhare with customers like Top Hair International, Börde Jukum, Südwest Presse Verlag in Ulm. Axel Springer Verlag is also a big customer producing through our Censhare system.
The editorial offices, i.e. the customer, put content in our system on a centralized basis, and we distribute it to our production sites as needed. We refine the content and then give it back to the customer for release. The other thing in favor of Censhare is that we can adapt products very individually to customers. It's not just an off-the-peg product. Each case is different, and Censhare has the capability of adapting to each individual customer case.
One of the key customer requirements was not to have to make any major changes to existing work processes. The layout was on the customer's premises, and with Censhare, we were able to offer a layout design here, even at such a large distance, without any major changes having to be made and without any time delays. There's a magazine called Baby Express. Here you can see the actual request, various directories created by the customer. The customer puts visuals and copy in here, and then we start with the layout and image retouching. When we have finished the layout, I reset the workflow stage here and submit the draft to the customer. This means that the page layout has been completed by us. You can see it here. Then I submit a draft, and then the customer can see that the layouter has put it all together. In other words, we finish that stage. Then the customer can make changes and switch to corrections, or put it in for internal proofreading right away, as you can see here. This workflow stage shows the proofreader that it's his turn to get on with proofreading the copy. When the whole thing is finished and has been approved for printing, you can set it to text release proofread, as you can see here, then we can generate the print PDF. The Censhare solution makes it all fairly simple, because every customer and every staff member has the same user interface, the workflow stages have been discussed, and everyone knows what he or she has to do at what point in time, or when there's something else to be done.
We've worked for publishing houses for almost 56 years now, more so recently. And in publishing, the workflows are already in place, and the processes ultimately start a long way before Quark Express or InDesign. Essentially, it's about editorial processes, and that's what you have to be able to handle. And Censhare has always been interesting for us because it covers the entire value creation chain, from the editing system right through to the entire process control of media production. We then decided it was very interesting for us to cooperate closely with Censhare because we want a very high level of integration with our customers' processes, and we sell these solutions to our customers too.
As a user, I don't see any need for optimization on the part of Censhare at the moment. I'm actually very satisfied with the whole thing. It all works fine, absolutely.